welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Oh my goodness, I have missed Mail Haul Monday so much. I posted a video this past Friday, but other than that, I haven't filmed in a couple weeks because everything that's been uploaded has been pre-filmed. But anyways, I missed you guys. I'm so excited to be back to filming. I have a lot of exciting content coming up for the month of June, and I'm just excited. I would love if you stay around and subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also the bell notification is super important, so you're notified as soon as my videos go live. I have debated maybe changing up my upload schedule, but I haven't like 100% decided. Also, before we start this video, I do want to say, let me take a deep breath because I'm talking really fast. For those of you guys that watch my video on Friday, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your sweet comments. It means more than you will ever know, ever. I can't thank you guys enough. And I'm going to do a little bit of update because I feel like, not like my opinions change, but I just want to do an update for you guys because some other things have happened really since I posted that video, and I kind of want to talk about it. But let's dive in. And again, thank you guys so much. I'm truly just so lucky to have y'all. You have no idea. Again, I'll talk more about it in another video when I have my thoughts together, but let's dive into the package. So first thing that I want to say is I did get a piece of mail from a subscriber. Oh my goodness, and this is my PO box, but not showing my address on here, and I have hers blocked, but oh my gosh. This, I opened it up and like kind of opened a couple things. I cannot. So I was like, I have to show this on Mail Haul Monday because it literally meant the world to me. So the first thing that she sent over, and her name's Christine. She is super sweet. And I literally like cried when I opened the package because it's like the sweetest thing I've ever received. She made me this little card that she hand wrote. And it has like a picture of me and Snow on the front and then a photo of me on the back. And I had to pull this just for this video because I have it in my home office. I just love it. And then she also sent me this little towel, and she said, I thought the towel would be good for swiping off swatches or drying your hands or arms after wiping off swatches. I thought of this because in your videos using beach towels and hand towels, this is just another option. This is so cute. So I'm going to use this today. So I opened up a couple things. So the first thing that I opened, which I was like shook about, is a NARS Audacious lipstick in the shade, I think it's Apolline. So it's A-P-O-L-I-N-E. Y'all, I'm gonna have to wear this in my next video because this is such a me shade. Like literally the best shade ever. It's such a me color. I cannot wait to wear this. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love NARS Audacious lipsticks. I have quite a few of them. I don't actually own this color, and they are just such high quality, so comfortable in the lips, and they do last a long time, and they're super pigmented. So thank you, thank you, thank you for that. And then I also opened this Colourpop eyeshadow. I'm not going to swatch everything, but this eyeshadow is in the color Twitter Painted, and you guys know that there's like this pinky shade with like gold flecks that I love. I'm just going to swatch this. This is literally like the exact shade. Oh, it is so beautiful. It's like such a go-to for me. And this one even has more shimmer in it. So beautiful. I cannot believe that she sent this over. Okay, she also sent, and I haven't opened anything else besides that. Oh, and then this eyeshadow I did open. This is called Couche. And it's like a almost like silvery shade. Okay, and then we have these Smart Sweets. So these are gummy bears. We have Swedish berries. These are called Maynards, I think. And I don't know if these are specifically from Canada. She does live in Canada. And also she decorated this box too. The box was so sweet. Like, I wish I could have filmed myself open it because I was like, oh my gosh, she's so sweet. We have Starburst, which I do love at Starburst. And then we have these Aereo by Nestle milk chocolate and then dark chocolate. I've never tried these. I don't think they have these in the United States. I don't think I've saw these before. Okay, and then next, she knows me so well. She sent over Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, which is my #1 favorite makeup wipe. And then let's see here. We have this little package, and I haven't opened this stuff up. So let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's like Christmas. Okay. Ooh, so the next one is from Colourpop. And this is called Still Crazy. Ooh, another beautiful pink shade right here. So let's swatch that. So pretty. these are such good everyday shades. Like, I'm definitely going to have to put them on my daily vanity. And then the last thing, which I think might actually be a lipstick as well. Okay, this is another one from Colourpop, and this is called Layover. Ooh, this looks like it has a little bit of peach in it. So there's that, and then let's swatch it. And these lipsticks are very comfortable. Oh my gosh, such me shades. Thank you so much, Christine. Okay, ooh. Next Super Shock shadow we have is Bubbly, and this is like a really pretty pink shade also. Let's swatch it. Ooh, so pretty. I kind of want to, ooh. I don't even have no eyeshadow on today, and it looks, I think it looks pretty, like just on the lid. I wish I would have showed y'all. I don't think I videoed before I left for Mexico. I got my eyes done for my eyelashes, and oh, I love that color. Okay, so I got my eyelashes done right before Mexico, and I finally switched to volume. Obsessed. Like, this right here is like over 3 weeks or so, and they're still going strong. I get them filled in on Friday, so next week's videos you'll probably see them in full action. Okay, and then there's 3 more packages in here, and she like wrapped these so good too. Ooh, okay, so this is a Super Shock cheek in the Lunch Money. Oh my gosh, I think I have this, and I think that I like had hit pan on it when I used to wear it. So here's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and try to put a little bit on. Oh, it's so pretty. Beaming. I'm so excited. Okay, so that is Lunch Money. That's like a freaking staple from Colourpop. Okay, the next one is called Flexit Araden. I'm probably butchering that, y'all. Okay, here's what this one looks like. Pretty. Oh my gosh, I forgot how blinding Colourpop is. So there is that. I'm making such a mess on my table. I'm just like ripping everything open because I'm so excited. Ooh, okay, this one's called Churro. And this is another Super Shock cheek. Look at that. It has like different colors in it. Ooh, now that is really pretty also. It's like more bronzy. So pretty. Seriously, Christine, you shouldn't have. I cannot believe that you sent me all this stuff. Thank you so much. I know I sent you like a million messages of just how extremely grateful I am. I don't know if you'll see this video, but if you do watch it, thank you so much. It like made my day, my week, my year. It cheered me up so much, and I just am so appreciative that you took the time to, 1, even think about sending me anything, 2, to make a homemade card was so sweet, and 3, to literally like spoil me with things that you know I love. Like, it was so thoughtful and so generous, and thank you. I love you so much. That was so sweet. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. I've been so emotional lately. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna wipe this off of my hand, and then use my new little towel. It's so funny that y'all notice when I use like beach towels to wipe my swatches off. Oh my goodness. Okay, next package we have that actually, okay, sitting sideways. I actually already opened up right before we went out of town. This is from Huda Beauty. And you guys, I'm going to be filtering packages throughout the next couple weeks because I did get a ton of mail while I was gone. But this is called Resting Boss Face. And this is the Long Lasting Hold Finish Matte Spray. I'm not going to spray it on my face today, but I will do it in like a upcoming video. But normally anything that Huda comes out with, I love. Oh my gosh. Also, I saw that she is coming out with these neon 9 palette eyeshadows. There's like 3 of them, and I think I might actually be getting those in PR, so I will probably do a review on those if so. We next have a package from It Cosmetics. I do not know. Where are my scissors? Shoot. Oh, there they are. Okay. Back in action. So we have the Your Skin But Better CC Plus Oil Matte. I love this. I've already been through, I think, 2 bottles of it. This is in the shade Light, so it will not match me right now, but I'll save it for winter because it's so good. We next have the Heavenly Skin Brush right here. We have my favorite lower lash mascara, which is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then they also sent along a Je ne sais quoi Rose Lip Balm. So thank you so much to It Cosmetics for that package. I don't even know if I said thank you to Christine for that package, like how I do after everyone. Thank y'all so much. I opened this package before I went out of town also. This was from Purlisse, and I have to give them a huge shout out because y'all, the watermelon, here it is. It's not in the package because I took it out and I had to use it. The watermelon energizing aqua bomb, so good. Our skin got so burnt in Mexico, like terrible, and this, it made it so hydrating, so absolutely love this. They also sent over the watermelon energizing sheet mask, which I'm excited to try out. If it's as good as the aqua bomb, I'm sure I'm going to be in love. And then they sent over the Candy Johnson and Purlisse Buttermeat Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. I have a feeling this is going to smell amazing, and I truly need it because, oh, it smells really good. Ever since we came back from Mexico, you guys, my skin has been so freaking dry. I do blame it on this lotion that Snow got. So he like read through all these reviews, and this, like, they had rave reviews, and we tried it and it was not good. Okay, so then they also, I think, it's either a sister company or they also own this company, Yenza. So they actually sent over 2 different shades. I'm going to swatch one of them and see. I think this is the darker one. Yes, I definitely think this is going to work. So this is their BC foundation. It's a BB and a CC cream, but it's a very full coverage. Oh, I think this is going to work. Come on. I think the inside of it like broke or something. Oh, that's way too much. Oh, I'm going to have to figure out how to fix that so that way it will pump out. But this color looks definitely like it's going to match me because I have gotten really tan, you guys. Like when we went on vacation, oh yeah, that will definitely be my shade. I was just out in the sun for so long, and every day we played volleyball, and it was awesome. I'm going to have to like do an update, just an update all around. If y'all watch my Snapchat, you'll know about me like getting into it with the raccoon down there. There's a lot of stories to be told. Okay. Thank you so much to Purlisse for that package, and Yenza. I can't wait to wear the foundation, BBCC cream, and I cannot wait to use the other products. So thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, we have some packages from Colourpop. So this is actually from Fourth Ray, which I believe is owned by Colourpop as well. This is, speaking of watermelon, this is a watermelon face milk. It says a refreshing drop of moisture and balanced skin formulated with watermelon seed oil, bamboo milk, cucumber water, and aloe. It's a lightweight formula that replenishes hydration for a healthier, softer complexion. Let's see what this smells like. And it looks like it would be like thicker also, like just looking at it in the package. Oh, it smells so good. Let's put a drop of this on like my very unmoisturized hands. Oh yeah, I mean, it definitely, you can tell. It definitely hydrates. They also sent over another package, which I'm assuming when it comes in this like pinkish packaging that it's from Fourth Ray, but it just still says Colourpop. Ooh. Okay, so it says Fourth Ray Beauty AM to PM Gel Cleanser, and then a bed or BFD. I don't know what that stands for, but this is a cleansing oil. So I'm excited to try out these skincare products. I'm sure they're probably affordable too if it's sold through Colourpop, so I'll have to keep you guys updated. Thank you so much to Colourpop and Fourth Ray for that package. Next thing we have came from Dermalogica. So they sent over 2 different products, and it says the Ultimate Glow Duo. So the first thing they sent is their Hydra Blur Primer, which I believe is supposed to blur your skin, hydrate, and brighten. And then we also have the Photo Replenish Oil. Now it says foundation looking dry. Yes, because my skin's looking dry. It says warm 1 to 2 drops between hands and press over foundation for a show-stopping glow. For a natural dewy highlight, apply a couple drops on the planes of your cheek. So I'm excited to try these 2 together. And thank you so much to Dermalogica for that package. Okay, next thing we got is from Too Faced. And this is, y'all, this is their new fruity collection. It's like an extension. Oh my gosh, heck yeah. Who wants to see a review? Y'all know, out of all the Too Faced collections, that one is like my favorite. They did such an amazing job on that collection. So I know I'm probably a little bit behind, but if y'all want to see a review, let me know. So the first thing they came out with is a Too Faced Triple Scoop Palette. I'll probably do just like a full face of first impressions with all this stuff. Ooh. And if you open it up, yes. You have 3 different highlights, and I'm sure they're going to be bomb. Yes, very pretty. They're actually pretty glittery, and they're actually going over pretty good considering they're on top of that oil, but there is that. Then we have, Ooh, what is this? This is a Pineapple Glow Moisturizing and Brightening Face Mask. We know I'm about this life. And oh, this is the cutest packaging. Look how cute. And it has like the little top. Smells really good. And it has like glitter in it. Ooh, I'm excited to try these. Then we have 3 different blush duos. The first one we have is Like My Melons. Oh, I love these. Okay, so here's what the little packaging looks like. I can never get over Too Faced. They're just so freaking cute. This is like such a good summertime little combination. I didn't really swatch it that good, but they're those 2 shades. Then we have Papaya Pop, which looks like it's going to be even brighter. There are those. I'm like kind of sucking today at swatching the blush shades. And then we have Berries and Bubbly. This is like a light pink. I just love this collection. I hope that they just keep on extending it. And my fingers are kind of oily right now. So I think that's why I'm not doing the best job swatching the blushes, because the highlights are swatching really nice. Like, look at that. I'll have to give y'all an update with the blushes because my fingers, they're like really oily, and so it's not making them look very good. Okay, and then we also have 3 different Twinkle Twinkles. We have Pink Champagne Sugar right there. These are really pretty. They're like an eye gloss with glitter. Then we have Candied Rose. Oh, we know how I am about wearing these glitter eyeshadows. They're so beautiful. Okay, and then we have Lico Rich. Okay, this is a shade I probably won't wear, so I'm going to save it for you guys. It's like a dark, smoky shade. Thank you so much, Too Faced, for that package. And you guys, that's going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday, but don't worry, I'll be back for more next week. I have still a ton of packages, and definitely expect some more in-depth reviews on more products. I know I have the Natasha Denona new palette, which I plan on doing a review on, and I ordered some stuff through Sephora that I also plan on doing separate reviews on too. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!